So the question is, we are newlyweds. लड़की पूछ रही है.
Okay.
We are newlyweds, and I'm shy to use bathroom and fart in front of my husband. इस वक्त यहाँ पे किसी बॉय की इनपुट बहुत जरूरी है. So what do you think?
I think that it's cute, but why? Why are you afraid that the guy is going to judge you? Are you afraid that he thinks that you don't have a GI tract, or आपको कोई special मसला है कि आपको लगेगा कि he's going to be like turned off or something?
I think it's just like हमारी सोसाइटी में नहीं बताया जाता ये बुरी बात है, ऐसे नहीं करते वैसे
मगर
नहीं
करते तो सब ही है ना भाभी से. आपने एक ह्यूमन से हेल्दी ह्यूमन से शादी की है तो उसका तो फिर GI ट्रैक काम करेगा ना. तो I mean अब eventually कभी तो उसने पॉटी करनी है ना. Like she's like, so is she just gonna just like not do it in front of him or what?
Hassan, what do you think?
I mean, when I was growing up, I was told that women don't fart, so this is all news.
मतलब कि उनका कोई
So this
entrance नहीं है उनकी कोई like क्या मतलब they don't fart?
So ये news है सारे लड़कों के लिए including
Women
Hassan.
fart.
Yeah, they go to bathroom too.
Yeah, और उनको potty भी आती है and they fart and sometimes it's smelly, sometimes it's not, and it's a normal thing. And I think कि जब आप you have to be very comfortable with your spouse, and you will get to that level. और जब आप वो level cross करो तो आप celebrate करो because now you have a new level of intimacy.
I think
that
मेरे
you are
घर
farting
में
and pooping
arranged
in front.
marriages में फिर ज़्यादा मसला होता
मगर
होगा
फिर भी
इतना.
आप अरेंज मैरिज एक ह्यूमन के साथ ही कर रहे हो ना. दिस इज जिस तरह आप सांस लेते हो, आप you know
जब खाना
blood
खाते हो,
circulates in
आता
your
है,
body,
जाता है.
तो आप पॉटी भी करते हो. So I mean then एक टाइम आएगा कि आप you know like I've been married a very long time that you have conversations while one person's in the bathroom, one person's in the shower, and
That's how life
yeah,
goes.
that's how life goes. I mean, you're not that, you know, ये नहीं कह रही कि गोदी में बैठ जाओ जब वो पॉटी कर रहा है, but still you can have a
You're
conversation.
giving people ideas.
The potty word going around.
हैं? तो पॉटी नहीं तो वो क्या कहे? वो आप you don't say potty, what do you say?
Potty.
हाँ. पुपू? पुपू?
मेरे बेबी ने पुपू कर लिया.
नहीं, हम पॉटी कहते हैं. ठीक है?
आपका बेबी अगर थाना खाएगा तो फिर वो
पॉटी करेगा. And फिर again another thing, अगर आपके बच्चे हैं और आपका husband है, when you've lived with somebody a long time, you can identify their farts. Yeah. And yes, you can identify कि किसने किया.
Okay.
And also पॉटी से भी जिनके multiple बच्चे हैं, आपको पता चल जाता है कि किस बच्चे ने पॉटी की है or whatever. But that's like a whole other chapter of comfort that moms have to experience. Mm-hmm. So anyways, back to her question. Mm-hmm. I would slowly incorporate it into your daily routine. नहीं तो आपको constipation हो जाएगी. And then that's going to be a bigger masla. वो आपको doctor पे लेके जाएगा. And then you're going to have a problem with explaining how you got constipated. So, I mean, just get up and just go. Be like, excuse me, and just get up and go to the bathroom. I mean, he knows that you poop. And he knows that you fart. Just as long as हमने उसको बता दिया.
हमने लड़कों को बता दिया इसमें.
और अगर उसको नहीं पता तो हमें उसका कांटेक्ट दो, हम उसको बता देते हैं. But just anyways, just be yourself, be normal, be comfortable, and then
maybe you can start telling him, oh आप बाथरूम गए थे तभी बाथरूम में इतनी स्मेल थी.
I mean, make a joke about it or something, or be like, you know, I have just get up and just say, excuse me, I have to go to the bathroom. That's it. He knows, okay? But anyways, good luck with that. And when it does happen, celebrate. It's a new level of intimacy when you fart in front of your spouse.